Hello students, today we will talk about post-fertilization events, that is the events which take place after fertilization. Fine. And 4 events are included. First one is the development of endosperm. Second one is the development of embryo. Third one is the maturation of ovule into the seeds, and fourth one is the maturation of ovary into fruits. Fine. In this lecture we will discuss about the endosperm development. Fine. Now endosperm development precedes the embryo development. What it means कि एम्ब्रियो की डेवलपमेंट तब तक नहीं होगी जब तक हमारा एंडोस्पर्म डेवलप नहीं होगा, बिकॉज दिस एंडोस्पर्म कंटेन्स फूड मटेरियल रिक्वायर्ड फॉर द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ एम्ब्रियो. जब तक ये एंडोस्पर्म नहीं बनेगा, जाइगोट अपनी डेवलपमेंट नहीं होने देगा इनटू एम्ब्रियो. वो पहले इंश्योर करेगा कि क्या एंडोस्पर्म बन चुका है. जब एंडोस्पर्म बन जाएगा तब जाइगोट डेवलप हो जाएगा एम्ब्रियो में. फाइन. सो एंडोस्पर्म डेवलपमेंट प्रीसीड्स एम्ब्रियो डेवलपमेंट, मतलब इससे पहले एंडोस्पर्म डेवलपमेंट होगा. ठीक है. एंड हाउ एंडोस्पर्म विल डेवलप? द प्राइमरी एंडोस्पर्म सेल which is formed as a result of double fertilization will divide. Fine. Cell will divide repeatedly, or you can say will undergo mitosis and will form triploid endosperm tissue, because we know when cells divide mitotically they form tissue, and this endosperm tissue is a food laden tissue. That means this tissue contains abundant amount of food material for the development of embryo. Fine. Now what happens? This endosperm, the nucleus of this endosperm tissue will undergo many mitotic divisions and will form free nuclear endosperm. Why it is called as free nuclear endosperm? Because only nucleus will divide and give rise to many nuclei, but no wall formation will takes place. Fine. After free nuclear endosperm, wall formation will takes place first from the, you can say, the periphery. This is the periphery, this is the center. So wall formation will take place from the periphery towards the center. Fine. And these are the nuclei. Fine. And the endosperm will be called as cellular endosperm. Fine. So free nuclear endosperm is when no wall formation is there in endosperm. Only the nucleus of this tissue divide rapidly and will form many nuclei. And cellular endosperm is what? When wall formation has taken place. Fine. We can take the example over here like tender coconut, जिसे आप कच्चा नारियल बोलते हो. Tender coconut contains water and white kernels. Fine. So water is what? It represents free nuclear endosperm, means the nucleus will divide repeatedly to form a number of nuclei, but the white kernels in the tender coconut represent cellular endosperm. Fine. That means the endosperm with wall formation. Fine. So this was about the development of endosperm. Let's revise. These 4 are the post-fertilization events, and these events will take place immediately after double fertilization. During endosperm development, what happens? First is it precedes embryo development, that is ये तब तक नहीं होगी या आप कह सकते हो एम्ब्रियो की डेवलपमेंट तब तक कंप्लीट नहीं होगी जब तक एंडोस्पर्म नहीं बनेगा। तो एंडोस्पर्म की डेवलपमेंट से पहले एंडोस्पर्म विल गेट फॉर्म्ड, देन प्राइमरी एंडोस्पर्म सेल will repeatedly divide and will form triploid endosperm tissue, and this tissue contains abundant amount of the food material for the embryo development. Then this triploid endosperm nucleus, you can say the nucleus of this tissue, will undergo free nuclear divisions, means no wall formation takes place, only nucleus will divide repeatedly to form large number of, or you can say the thousands of nuclei called as free nuclear endosperm. Then wall formation will take place first from the periphery and then towards the center. This is called as cellular endosperm. For example, tender coconut contains water, which is free nuclear endosperm, and white kernels represent cellular endosperm. Fine. In the next video we will discuss about the development of embryo. Fine.